Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the DLIS. This is the Discrete Logic Ignition Switch, guys, on Chevy Equinox year 2010 to year 2017. We'll explain which fuse you need to check, where it's located. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. Also, by the way, guys, if you need to buy the replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The Discrete Logic Ignition Switch fuses relays, DLIS fuses relays, guys. Let's explain where you can find them. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It's a video, guys, that can save you a lot of money. And what we need to do now, we need to open the front right door. When you do that, you're going to come to the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the center console right there, if we zoom in, you will see that you have one cover. Pull that cover open. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, the fuse that we need to check. Fuse numbers here are a little bit confusing, but they usually go this way, okay? You start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so forth. If you come in that row right here, that's the one that we need, by the way, now here. That's fuse number 29, even though it's different size. Then it's 30, 31, 32. You see that fuse number 32? Guys, that's the fuse that you will need to check. That fuse right here for the DLIS Discrete Logic Ignition Switch. Now, what about a relay? Guys, if you still have problems, okay, you don't have specifically dedicated relays, but we'll recommend to check the relays for the fuses relays for engine computer and body control module as well. The videos will be on our channel if you need help with that. Guys, now, one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays. J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.